How to access voicemail on Android phone. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to access voicemail on Android phone. So first is you have to make sure that your phone is actually updated. So basically the phone will actually notify you if you would like to update your phone. And if it notifies you, please do update your phone. Now, if you're done updating your phone, all you have to do is to go to your phone. If you tap on phone, it will directly lead you here to your dial pad and all your contact history. Now, to be able to access our voicemail is you have to go to the settings for your phone. So on the upper right, you will see two dots. Now others have three dots, so it depends on the phone. So go to settings and then go to voicemail. Now for my case, I have to go to carrier settings before I could go to the voicemail and then set the services for your carrier. And then for the number, you have to input the number for your voicemail, or you have to set up a number, specific number or dial pad for your voicemail. So let's say I wanna use number 9 and then click on the check mark here to confirm. Now your voicemail number has been updated. Now if we go back here, if we long press on number 9, we would be able to access our voicemail on our phone. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.